Hi guys, if you're interested in how I got this look, then you definitely want to keep on watching. What's up beauties, welcome back to my channel and we're getting straight into the video of today. So I started off by filling her brows while following the exact shape of her brows, and now I'm using a concealer to just kind of define and highlight the brows, and you have to take your time for this. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Join the beauties. In this channel we are all about slaying, we're all about makeup, we're all about beauty and everything that will make you feel confident as a human being. Without further ado, I'll be explaining what I'm doing while I'm telling you a story. I'm kind of feeling down right now. I don't know if you could tell from the intro of this video, but one thing for sure is that I'm always very joyful when I'm making a video, when I'm bringing a content to you down out there. So today I'm using the exotic pop palette, and this was my first PR YouTube palette, and I have an affiliate link with this company. So if you need this palette, guys, it's so big, like the palette is so massive. If you need this palette, please use my code to order and have a discount. Okay, so now I'm using, she wanted something dark purple, so I started up with the first color I showed you. I got carried away by talking, and now I'm using that dark purple at her outer V to just outline it, and I'm extending it a little bit out because you can see she has very small eyes, and I want to give the illusion that her eyes look bigger. That's why I'm kind of like dragging it to give it some cat look. Okay, I'm going in with that color to diffuse the transition between the lighter color I'll be applying in her inner crease and the darker color. That's why I'm making use of that color. So I'm making use of this shimmer color in the exotic palette. Oh my god, I feel like I'm talking too much. Maybe I should calm down a bit and just let you observe what I'm doing while we enjoy some cool music, right? Okay, yeah. Guys, I'm back with the talking. So what I'm doing is, she has hooded eyes. I don't know if you know what hooded eyes is. If you do know, please keep it on the comment section. But before I continue talking, let's just get our chat.
Yeah, walking is
30 minutes walk to your place. How many minutes walk to there?
yeah. I have to be working soon.
I will take nap though.
Yeah, close.
But no time.
Yeah. Oh, that's the worst. The tummy. It's better I'm fat to have no tummy.
So how much are you selling your waist train?
It depends the type. There is 9 steel and there's
Do you have them?
14 steel. Yeah, I have I'll show you. Oh, I'm gonna have this. The other one is finished. Okay, I think that's it.
So guys, we are back, and that's basically it for the eyes. I'm just going to use this liner, this pencil liner, to line the eyes and wing it out. I'm trying to, you see, I already winged out the eyeshadow, if that makes sense, and now I'll use the eyeliner to just define it and just make the eyes pop out some more. And I'm really trying to get very precise with this because, like, she wanted her makeup somewhat cool, but still very popping. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I applied the eyelash on the other eye, and you see me applying it on this eye. And once again, she brought her eyelash. I know you can remember this, my clients, from the first makeup I did on her. So I wanted to do something completely different this time around, and I just kind of love how the eyes turned out. Let me know what you think about this eye combo. Let me know what you think about the colors. Do you think I would have gone bright? Do you think I would have used glitter? I used glitter on her last time. I didn't want to use glitter on her this time around. I wanted to go completely matte, but she kind of didn't like what I had in mind. So we ended up doing this. Let me know what you think. Look at what eyelash can make you do. Yes, I'm going forward to moisturize her face. It's very important to prep your eyes. You might be wondering what the scarf is doing on her head. I did her hair and I tied the scarf to just let it set, and that is how the hair looks like. I'm further going with the 01 primer. I don't know if it's 10 primer or 01, however it is. So I'm going further to prime and moisturize her face. Guys, I'm not I'm not feeling fine. Your girl is not feeling fine at all. But so that aside, after prepping her face, I'm using the full coverage melanin foundation, and I'm just applying that all over her eye while trying to define the eyeshadow and make it look very cat-like. Okay, you saw me brushing out the line of the eyeshadow. It also helps to define the liner, and so while we keep blending that foundation, I just wanted to talk about something. I wanted to talk about unforgiveness. Why do people find it so difficult to forgive and let go? At times I ask myself that the way human beings behave with other human beings, if they were given the position of being God, of like having the chance, like they wouldn't, I don't think anybody will go to heaven. You know what I mean? Because on a daily basis we do fall short of his glory, but he keeps giving us like second chance. We keep saying second chance, but I cannot even count the chances that God has given us as individual. Like he keeps forgiving us over and over again. But with us human beings, it's difficult for us to forgive and to let go. Like sometimes, like we just get mad at people without them even hurting us intentionally. Like I've already been burdened by this particular situation I'm in, but guess what, girl? If people come into your life and they want to leave, don't really stress about it, because it probably means that that chapter of your story has ended. Go to the next chapter. Like, don't live at the mercy of people, okay? Like, you can have misunderstanding with someone, and if you don't want to come to an understanding or come to a compromise, let it go. Just let it go. Without further ado, you can see what I'm doing. I'm applying the concealer, highlighting the areas of her face where I want it to pop. Once again, I'm looking at the eyes and I'm feeling like probably I should have used orange. No, not orange. I'm not going for orange. So if you were to do this gorgeous lady's makeup, what are the colors you will use for this particular event? I didn't show how I did her lower eyes, but I just used that purple color to just slightly blend it below her eyes. So guys, always try to use a damp beauty blender, okay? It makes things easier for you. It leaves the product on your face and it naturalizes everything. It makes everything looks very natural and flawless. The concealer we used was an LA Girl Pro concealer, and I think it had lasted for long. I used her concealer, so it was feeling very, very light. By the end of the day, I loved how everything just blended out, which you're gonna see in a bit. I think you saw it already at the beginning of the video. So guys, I did her contouring off camera, and now I'm using this brush. I can't remember where I got this brush from, but I use it for contouring. I have another one where I use it to blend the highlights, but this is the one I'm using today. Okay, she's sleeping, guys. Most of my clients, when I'm doing their makeup, they always end up sleeping. It means my hands are so soft. Last time I was saying in the voice over, that doesn't mean I'm boring, that I'll be doing a client and the client is sleeping. But my beautiful subscribers told me that no, it's because I have peaceful hands. All my subscribers, I love you so much. I don't know how you understand the extent at which I love you. That is why if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take part. Just, I have so much love to give to everyone, so you can take part in this love by subscribing and joining the family. And just as a reminder, guys, I now have a membership. Please join my membership. Let's have fun together, guys. Join my membership. Let's grow. Let's take this channel to another level. So I want to have as many members as possible. It's very affordable. I do very affordable prices. So guys, please support me by joining my membership. And once again, if you haven't ordered this exotic palette or the zodiac palette, what are you waiting for? With this palette, you have so many things to be creative about. Okay, now let me just give a break. Let's listen to some music for a few seconds before I come back and continue my ranting. So for her lips, she wanted an umbrella lip, and yeah, she wanted this dark outline lip. So I decided to go in. This lipstick is from Colourpop. I think it's the Mamacita, the shade Mamacita from Colourpop, and I'm using that. Honestly, I should have used the brush. I don't know why I didn't think of it. We're running out of time, so when I got the lipstick, I just took the lipstick applicator. So I outlined her lips. I was trying to get her cupid's bow. She doesn't have much of cupid's bow like me. But I think it came out a little bit okay. Yeah, like personally, I'd have loved to go for a complete nude. I love nude and lip gloss lipstick. Yeah, I should have gone for that. But this is what the client is always right. The client is always right. And always remember to use your concealer to just clean out that lipstick, to just make it flawless and more defined. And guys, this is it. This is the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and share. Comment down below what you think about this look. I'm using the nude highlighter to highlight her cupid's bow, the bridge of her nose, her cheeks, and yeah, I'll go further to apply her blush, and that will be it about this look. Yeah, I'm also highlighting her brow bone. And guys, thank you so much for staying to the end with me. I'd love to see your comments. I'd love to see what looks you want me to create. Please challenge me. Let me get out of my comfort zone, guys. Do challenge me, and please always watch my makeup videos. I know I don't get views, and I'm so much grateful for those who do. Yeah, guys, look at her rocking her look. Love you so much, guys. Love you so much, guys. This is it about the look of today and about the video of today. I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. So much love, peace, stay safe, stay beautiful, and remember, it's your girl Viana's Beauty.